Hello and welcome, everyone. Thank you very much for joining us once again for this next in our series of webinars hosted by US Analytics about both the enterprise performance management and the Oracle Business Intelligence platforms and our experiences on those platforms. As always, we have a specific topic to talk about tonight, and this one is very, very sensitive and something that our clients are extremely interested in. We'll also have, as always, an expert that knows a lot more about this kind of stuff than I do. Her name is Christine Hubley, and she'll be joining us for the client example as well as how to approach the user adoption for the Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition and applications. My name is Craig Key, and I'm the host of this webinar series. Once again, we definitely appreciate you joining us today. We're trusting that you're going to find a lot of value in today's conversation. So, what is it that we'll talk about? First of all, we'll do introductions both for US Analytics and for Christine. And then we're going to jump right into a case study. And we'll use that case study as a foundation for the other very important topics and expertise around user adoption. So we'll talk about change management and how to approach that for different clients and different applications. We'll talk about the user adoption cycle, things that we have seen work and not work. And of course, we'll give you do's and don'ts, so things that you should stay away from, as well as things that you should definitely do at different times during the project, whether it be during requirements gathering, design, getting into the development or the test, and of course the deployment of the application and long-term support itself. As always, if you guys have any questions as we're going through this, please pop those questions into the WebEx chat box and forward those over to both the host and the panelist so that the folks on the phone today can answer those questions for us as well. Who's US Analytics? Most of you guys have heard me say this so far. We are an industry-leading professional services firm. We have been around for over 14 years, and we are focused on the end-to-end world solely on analytics and enterprise performance management. And so that means helping our clients with anything from, hey, I have a pain and I have no idea how to approach it, so come in and help me with a program strategy and do we have a multi-phase type of project or program, to very specific if a client has one specific thing that they want us to approach, whether it's the business intelligence related platform that Christine will talk about today or enterprise performance management like planning or HFM. We help with those as well. We also have operational infrastructure, so we can help do upgrades, installs, new installs, hardware recommendations, and we help our clients with those all the time. And then for the clients who don't want the burden of having the hardware for the long term, then we can help with both managed services and hosting and have people come in and actually help you manage and maintain those applications for the long term. We have well over 14 years of experience, and we have, as you will see here, tons of business and IT or technical professionals that can help our clients both best practice approach from the business process perspective and from the technical application implementation. And as you can see here, our EPM and BI practices, we have a practice in each of these areas. And those guys have very deep business expertise as well as technical best practice expertise. And as you can see, we have lots of industry leading clients who use us and rely on us to be their partners for their implementations as well as their long-term support. Christine is going to be the person that will be driving deep today into the examples that we have and showing us what she has seen work at other clients. She has a very deep amount of knowledge in both the OBI EE and the application platform. That's been what she's been focusing the majority of her career at, and we've been lucky to have her here at US Analytics for a good chunk of it. She has led many of our clients to both from the best practice requirements perspective all the way through design and development, and making sure from a communication and a change management standpoint, the clients are doing the right things and capturing any issues that may be occurring so that when the applications are rolled out, then we have something that our clients can use for the long term. And it's also something that can grow with those clients over the long term. And so this has been her expertise and something we've been lucky to have her here and both interested in and focused on and accomplishing for our clients. So she's going to take us through the rest of the conversation, starting with that client case study that I was talking about a moment ago. So, Christine?
Thanks, Craig. I'll be taking us through a case study. It's a client that we've recently helped